tease me, baby. You got what I want and what I need, baby. Let me hear you say, please. Let me hear you say, please.
Hey Forever Dolls, welcome back to my channel. So today I have created for you guys a bit of a glitter slash colorful cut crease. So if you guys want to see how I created that video, go ahead and do me 3 favors: like, share, and subscribe the video. Tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend to tell another friend to tell that friend that they need to be watching Forever Red. Anyway, you guys, I love you so much and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Hey Forever Dolls, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be going into my Secret Center palette by P. Louise Academy, and I'm going to be using my yellow, orange, and purple out of here to create my colorful sunset makeup. Colorful, you know, whatever. I don't even know. Right now you guys are going to see me going in with the yellow just to blend and kind of make my transition color. After that I'm going to be going in with my orange and sweeping it underneath the yellow so that I can get my sunset effect. The next color that I'm going to be grabbing is the purple, and this is just going to give the sunset eye a little bit of a color. So now I'm going to be going into my P. Louise base in the shade 02, and I'm going to be using that to cut my crease. So now I'm going to be going into my Forever Red lashes, which are available to purchase on the website. So go ahead and grab you a pair, or 2, or 3, or 4. It's fine. But the lash style that I'm going in with is called Drama. Next, I'm going to be going into my NARS foundation to coat my face and evenly get a great flat base. I'm going in with my concealer brush and simply painting the foundation on my face before I go ahead and blend it out. I'm going to be using my Morphe Continuous Setting Spray to help me achieve my blended foundation. It's always like difficult for me trying not to get foundation in my hair, y'all. It effing sucks. Let me tell y'all, it sucks. I do it anyway. I get foundation in there anyway. Okay guys, so now I'm gonna go ahead and go in with my Glit Your Life glitters, and I'm gonna be going in with Barbie doll, and I'm gonna be using this to put in the tear duct of my eyes just to give it a different look. And yes, I know I cut one crease higher than the other. It was on purpose so that you guys can see the difference of a low cut crease and a regular cut crease. So now I'm going to be going into my Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit, and I'm going to be mixing all of the highlighters together. As you guys know, I like to look like a donut. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with my favorite lip duo combination, my NYX Baby Doll lipstick, as well as my NYX Brown lip liner and my NYX Butter Gloss. Madeline is the color. All right, pretty much, you guys, this concludes my video. If you guys liked it, give me a thumbs up. Tell me what I can improve on. Tell me what I can work on. And I will see you guys in my next video. Love ya. Bye.